So we're going to take a look at the select statement, and this is where we kind of get down to what you should be learning, but I want you to know how to create a table. I want you to know how to create a database and drop a database. I want you to know how to create a table. I want you to know how to insert records into a table so that you can do all that. You can create the database, create the table, insert records into it, and then query it. And so the querying is what this book covers a lot right at the very beginning. And so to query, to ask, give me data from a database, so query is kind of an English word. In England, a query means to ask a question. So here we have select, and you could select star, which gives you all of the columns, all the fields from table name, or you could select by column, column 1, column 2, column n from table name, and that's the select one. And in our book, we've learned about the where clause. So I think where is covered in this outline I have here. So there's the where clause, right? I talk a little bit about a few other things, but here's the where clause. And so in our book, if you look at the back, and I'll put this into Canvas, I'll create some assignments from you. We have on page 113 sample statements, and 114 we start seeing things like select from, select from, select from, select from, order by, right? So select from, select from. So I'll assign some of these. So what you're going to do is you will create a database like I created sample, and then you will create a table like I created customers, and inside customers, I had 2 fields, and then you're going to have to write some command, like I'm going to say write a select from. And so you select a field from your table. Select, see first, select from customers. And then you'll just take a screenshot of this. And then that screenshot, so you could just Google screenshot Windows, screenshot Linux, screenshot Mac to figure out how to do a screenshot. Then you'll upload that screenshot to Canvas. And I'll be like, okay, cool. I'll look at the image. I'll see that you had a table, and it had these fields, and you did this select, and you got this. Sweet. And you might do a select from customers, and I might ask you to do order by, see first, descending, right? And now you can see the order changed. See the difference? And so that's what that chapter covers. Then you take a screenshot of that, and you'd upload that for that assignment. So I'll have some statements that you need to do. The goal is for you to do the select statement, but to do the select statement, you got to create a database, create a table, insert records into the table. And then all that's been covered. And then all this has been recorded so you can rewatch it. Let me just see a show of hands. How many people are like, this is way too much today? How many people are there? What's your job as a student? Say, I don't know. So if you're there, say, I don't know.
Kind of both ways.
How many people are like, dude, awesome, I love it, we're jamming?
Kind of both ways.
Okay. How many people are like, this is perfect comfort level, I'm doing good, I'm going to have to do some work, but I'm excited to learn this stuff? How many people are there? Okay, so for the people who put up their I don't know hands, that's exactly what you're supposed to be doing as a student. Say I don't know when you don't know. If it's a bit overwhelming for you, just come talk to me. All right? But I think all of you got this. You could review these videos. You've got this killer outline right here with all the commands. So just come talk to me, though, if you're stuck. If you need help getting Postgres installed, come see me during office hours. Okay? Have a great, oh, I need to take roll. Have a great, let me take roll and then you guys can all go.